Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're getting into something that honestly is an absolute biological reality for every single one of us, right? But for some reason, it's kind of swept under the rug and rarely talked about openly. We're talking about intimate hygiene and odor. We're going to break down the actual science behind what causes it, totally skip past any of that awkward embarrassment, and just focus on the hard facts and some really great natural solutions. So let's just get right into it. Okay, let's dive into this. Ask yourself, do you spend, say, 14 to 19 hours a day away from the comfort of your own home? I mean, whether you're working at an office all day, running around college campus, or just out and about, a lot of us spend a massive chunk of our time totally away from home base. And during those long hours, we're usually strapped into tight clothing, constantly moving, and dealing with everyday environmental sweat. Honestly, it's incredibly uncomfortable, and it sets us up for a massive core hygiene challenge every single day. There's actually a brilliant analogy from our source material that hits the nail on the head here. Think about the crazy multi-step routines we have for our faces, right? We know for a fact that if we skip washing our face, boom, we break out. But if we completely ignore the hygiene of our most sensitive private areas, we aren't just risking a minor breakout. We're talking about risking severe bacterial buildup and potentially dangerous infections. So yeah, this sensitive topic absolutely 100% demands our immediate attention.
Section 1. The Universal Hygiene Problem.
And this brilliantly illustrates the whole picture. Look, intimate odor and bacterial buildup is a completely universal human issue. Guys, girls, everyone deals with those exhausting 14-hour days, that trapped sweat, and basically zero air circulation. But females do face some additional, very specific biological factors. We're talking about things like natural continuous 24-hour vaginal discharge that creates constant moisture, or urinary tract infections. UTIs can literally just pop up from not drinking enough water or, not washing properly after using the restroom.
So what does this actually mean for you? It means you absolutely need to know how to read your body's signals. Let's run through the warning signs of bacterial buildup so you can kind of self-diagnose. Got a mild, milky, or slightly sweaty odor? Okay, deep breath. That is generally totally normal from just daily activity. But if you start noticing a harsh, fishy smell, or a really overwhelming, musky, unbearable scent, or, and this is a big one, if you see abnormal color changes in your undergarments, those are massive red flags. That points straight to an infection or severe bacterial buildup. And that's exactly when you need to drop everything and consult a doctor.
Section 2. The Science of Odor.
So what are the actual mechanics going on behind the scenes? Well, to figure out why odor even happens, we absolutely have to talk about pH balance. Your intimate skin naturally has this very delicate, slightly acidic level. Think of this acidity as your body's personal invisible shield. It actively fights off the bad, odor-causing bacteria. But here's the kicker. When we use harsh chemical soaps or those really intense chemical hair removal creams down there, we literally obliterate that protective barrier. And once that pH level is ruined, the bacteria spread like wildfire, multiplying rapidly and leading to massive odor and infections.
Section 3. Mistakes in Daily Habits.
Now, what's really interesting here is how our everyday choices actually make this whole bacterial situation so much worse. And it's usually because we're prioritizing outside looks over inside function. The contrast between everyday fabrics is honestly pretty stark. Take cotton undergarments. Their breathability is incredibly high. Cotton allows for vital air contact, it safely absorbs moisture, and it actively helps prevent those infections. But synthetic fabrics? Oh man, they are basically airtight. They act like a mini greenhouse, totally trapping your sweat and your body heat, which causes bad bacteria to just breed at an alarming rate. It's literally a bacterial trap that you are just wearing all day long.
And that whole bacterial trap situation, it makes our next daily struggle even worse. Public restrooms. Look, when you're at home, keeping things hygienic is relatively a breeze. But outside, it is a major hurdle. Whether you're rushing between office meetings or running across campus for classes, being forced to use public toilets means we simply cannot maintain that same level of cleanliness. And guess what? That gives the bacteria yet another prime opportunity to thrive.
Section 4. Simple steps for hygiene.
Fortunately, our source material doesn't just leave us hanging. It provides some fantastic, super easy to implement habits to combat all of this and actually improve your daily comfort and health. First up, if you want a completely natural solution to restore that healthy environment, you have got to try this DIY natural hygiene paste. Step 1, grab some fresh curd, because curd is absolutely packed with good bacteria. Step 2, mix in some turmeric, also known as haldi, which is a powerful natural antibacterial. Then step 3, just add a little tulsi extract. If you apply this gentle paste just 1 to 2 times a week, the good bacteria from the curd will actively fight and overpower the bad, odor-causing bacteria naturally. It's that simple.
Okay, here is a rapid-fire, absolutely non-negotiable tip. You must wash immediately after physical intimacy. Seriously, do not skip this one. This single, super simple action flushes away newly introduced bacteria and drastically reduces your chances of getting severe bacterial buildup and those incredibly painful urinary tract infections.
Remember those dreaded public restrooms we were just talking about? Well, here is your personal defense strategy. First, avoid direct contact with the seat. Just do a half squat if you have to. And second, make it a habit to always keep a small pack of mild, personal intimate wipes right there in your bag. If you are in a spot where you can't wash properly with water, grabbing a wipe is absolutely the next best thing. It makes sure you aren't just letting sweat and bacteria sit on your skin for the rest of the day.
Now, I absolutely love this next pro tip from the source material. It's actually a trick passed down from the creator's mother. If you are someone who works those really long, sweaty office hours, simply pack a spare set of cotton underwear and change into them right after your lunch break. I know, it sounds so ridiculously simple, right? But hitting the reset button on that trapped moisture halfway through your 14-hour day, it is a real game changer. It is incredibly effective at stopping odor dead in its tracks. Finally, the minute you step through your front door after a long, exhausting day, wash up. But hey, remember the science behind our pH balance we talked about earlier? Do not reach for those harsh soaps. Scratch that. Avoid them entirely. Always choose paraben-free, chemical-free, exceptionally mild intimate washes. You want to look for natural ingredients, things like neem and tea tree, because they safely cleanse away the day's sweat without completely stripping away your body's natural, highly protective pH barrier.
Which basically leaves us with one really crucial question to wrap up our explainer today. Are you prioritizing artificial looks and fancy synthetic fabrics over your body's essential health and comfort? Just remember, literally nobody can see the airtight synthetic fabric you're wearing under your clothes, but you are the only one who has to suffer the hygienic consequences. I really hope this structured look at intimate hygiene empowers you to make some healthier, way more comfortable choices. Keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next explainer.